What's up, gang? Friday the 15th. Today we've got a really cool workout because you're gonna have multiple options to pick from. You're either gonna be able to pick a skill-related movement that can still make you stronger or a strength-related movement. These strength-related movements are gonna be barbell specific. These skill-related movements are going to be under the gymnastics category where it's your body weight. So for the first part, we're going to be talking about pulling. So pulling being the skill is either going to be a ring muscle up, bar muscle up, or some sort of pull up. Now, if you can't easily do a bunch of pull-ups, then let's not pick this category. So with these options, what you're going to be doing is every 90 seconds, so every minute and a half, we want you to pick a repeatable rep number that you can do for 5 sets. So if you can do 3 bar muscle ups every minute and a half for 5 sets, cool, good for you. But if you can't, then let's pick a smaller number. So that would be your upper body pulling skill option. Now, for your strength option, we're gonna be doing a supinated, so hands turned like this, bent over barbell row. And on that row, we're gonna be looking for about 6 to 8 reps. That's a really good strength and hypertrophy range. And we're gonna be doing that also for 5 sets. We'll go every 90 seconds. So regardless of which one you do, the coach is gonna be able to say go at the same time for everyone. Once we are done with that, we're gonna move on to a similar format where you get to pick between 2 different pressing options. For the skill, you're either gonna pick some sort of handstand or deficit handstand or kipping handstand push-up that you can repeat every 90 seconds for 5 sets. Or for the strength portion, you're gonna have a barbell on a rack and you're gonna be doing a push press and you're gonna build up in weight doing a set of 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. That's also gonna be on the same timer. You do not have to pick the same skill or strength between these 2 different pushing and pulling categories. Completely up to you how you wanna approach that today. Guys, once we're all done with that, we're gonna finish with a cool little accessory pump finisher. You're gonna have a kind of tri-set of shrugs. We're gonna hold the dumbbells or kettlebells in front of you and then beside you and then behind you and essentially do 30 shrugs. Then you're gonna go right over to a really, really easy push-up. So likely on a bench or even on a tall pull-up squat rack, and you're gonna do 30 push-ups in a row. Then you're gonna take a rest break and we're knocking out 3 rounds of that. That should finish you off for your Friday's workout. All right, guys.